Yo, what's good, boys? It's 2026 and I got a New Year's resolution. I want to save 1 million collective hours of screen time this year. And I did the math. If I can save people 2,740 hours every single day of 2026, that will amount to 1 million hours. But that's fucking crazy. So let's make this work. I'm pretty sure I can save at least, because I've had people message me like, oh bro, I went from 8 hours a day to 3 hours. I've had people like, oh yeah bro, you helped me from 5 hours to 30 minutes. Oh yeah bro, you helped me with this, with that, with this, with that. So I think I at least, like, every single person that joins the community below, I got like a free 7-day challenge in there, should on average save, I think, 1 hour every single day. So if we can get 2,740 people in there, then I will save other people 1 million collective hours in 2026. That would be fucking awesome. Like 1 million fucking hours. 1 million hours. So yeah, if you want to save some time and you want to help me with the goal of helping people save 1 million hours in 2026, you can join the community below. So I'll just do some math. This is a little more of like just a documenting video of me like going over like goals for 2026 and kind of just wondering. So 2,740 people, that would get me to 1 million collective hours, but it won't happen from day one. So I will need to get more people in now. So let's just say the goal is like 3,000 members, right? 3,000 members, and I have about a 15% conversion rate, which means that 15% of the people who land on the landing page where I have all of the sign up to the page actually signs up. So I would need about 7 times, right? 7 times, a little bit less than 3,000 people to land on the landing page. So like 20,000 people. If 20,000 people land on the landing page, then I will save 1 million collective hours this year, basically. So yeah, the goal is 20,000 people to land on the landing page for me to save that time. And I'm getting into clipping right now, which is basically where you pay money for people to edit your videos and then they get paid on the amount of views that they generate. And I have about, on short form content, I have about a 0.5%, I think, a 0.5% view to link in bio clicks. So I would need 200 views to get 1 click. So 200 views to get 1 click and 20,000 views to save 1 million hours this year, basically, approximately. So 20,000 times 100 is 2 million times 2, that's 4 million. So all I would need to get is 4 million views on short form content. And if you're watching this and you're like, fuck bro, let me help this dude, let me save some time myself, let me contribute to this goal, then you can literally, there should be a link in the description of this video, on the profile. You can find it anywhere, just look for it. You should find a link. Sign up bro, start the 7-day challenge. It's awesome. And yeah, so I would need 4 million views to save 1 million hours. That's low-key crazy, and that's only from the people joining. There will be people that just don't join and still just quit. Like I was on a call with this dude yesterday, and he 3 weeks ago from yesterday, he saw a video from me where I said like, oh yeah bro, can you even go 24 hours without scrolling, yada yada yada. After that, he put down his phone. He didn't scroll for 3 weeks in a row. Then something happened in his life, yada yada yada. He picked up scrolling again, and then he saw another one of my videos. Then he joined the community. I went on a call with him, and now I'll help him with reducing his screen time, etc, etc. So it's just like, that's only the measurable part. 4 million views will get me to 1 million collective saved hours. But it will probably be way more from the people that don't join the community, where it's like kind of in the back of their head, it's like, fuck, I need to reduce my screen time, I need to fix this problem. And then it like curates on their own without my direct help, just the indirect help of them being shown the video. So yeah, but fucking awesome goal. Let's fucking hit 1 million saved hours this year. And yeah, I would fucking appreciate it if you would help me with it. And obviously it would benefit you as well. So you can click on the link in the bio description of this video, join the community. You can send the link to like your friends, and you get like I don't want to say anything. Let's just say you don't get anything from it except for the goodwill from your friends, because then they will actually reduce your screen time. And Yeah, so bro, help me with this goal, bro. It'd be fucking awesome if I could hit 1 million hours this year. So yeah, not much else to say other than yeah, click the link in the description and have a good rest of your day.